Saskatchewan waterways are under threat. Aquatic invasive species, or AIS, is the term granted to non-native species that enter our waterways either accidentally or intentionally by human activity. The headwaters of Prince Albert National Park that feed the Churchill River Basin are of particularly high importance to protect from AIS, to prevent widespread ecological disaster across the province. A high-risk AIS is the bivalve zebra mussel, or Dracaena polymorpha. Its name is derived from the black and white striping on its mantle, which is typically 2.5 to 4 centimeters long and triangular in shape. The mussel's natural habitat is the Black and Caspian Seas, well adapted to fresh and brackish water. However, since being introduced into the Laurentian Great Lakes region in the 1980s, zebra mussels have subsequently spread to certain water bodies in Manitoba as well as southern Quebec. The ecological threat zebra mussels pose is a combination of their prolific feeding and breeding habits. Female mussels produce up to 1 million eggs per year, releasing them in the spring when water temperatures reach around 12 degrees Celsius. When fertilized, these eggs become free-swimming veligers, the larvae of the mussel. The larvae float in the water for about 2 to 3 weeks before they anchor themselves to hard surfaces using their byssal fibers. Zebra mussels will form colonies up to 700,000 individuals per square meter on boats, docks, rocks, plants, and other native mussel colonies, which ultimately ends up suffocating them. Zebra mussels are filter feeders, and they remove phytoplankton, small zooplankton, large bacteria, and other organic material from the water. Although one mussel only filters about 1 liter of water each day, large colonies can filter vast amounts of water. According to the Carey Institute's Changing Hudson project, zebra mussels can filter the entire freshwater portion of the Hudson River every 2 to 4 days. This lowers the amount of biomass available for native species to consume and disrupts local food chains starting at the lowest level. Despite the threat zebra mussels pose, efforts are underway to protect Saskatchewan waters. Within Prince Albert National Park, annual water sampling is done to detect mussel larvae, and staff regularly inspect infrastructure within the lake as well as natural structures to monitor the formation of mussel colonies. The Clean Drain Dry program also aims to prevent the spread of mussels and mussel larvae through watercraft that travel from waterway to waterway within Canada.